cabin. What do you say? How's it going, guys? We're back. So let's go over this thing. What do you say? So I've had a whole bunch of questions. Mainly, how much is this thing costing me? Where did we get it from? What's my final cost going to be? So let's get into it. Let's go over all those things right now. So we ordered this thing from Pioneer Sheds in Roberts, Montana. It's 40 feet long in all. We've got a 4-foot long porch. It's a 36-foot long living space. It's 16 feet wide. We had Pioneer do 2 dormers off the rear of this thing for the living space. We upgraded to pellet windows and doors. We also did the lap siding, which gives us a plywood sheathing, house wrapped with Tyvek, built just like a normal house. These buildings, they're built inside, so they're never exposed to the elements through the building process. No snow, no mud, no rain. They're built just like a normal house. They're great. So we had Pioneer Sheds go ahead and frame up all of our interior walls. We've got our bedroom framed up. We've got our bathroom framed up. Got our kitchen area framed up, all that kind of stuff. So we've got 2x6 exterior walls here. That gives us the normal, what your normal house is framed by, 2x6 walls, 16 inches on center. We did 2x6 roof joists, 16 inches on center. We're doing R21 insulation in the walls and the ceiling. The floor is framed 2x6 at 16 inches on center, and it's also got 3-inch closed cell foam in it, so it comes insulated. Like I said, we had them go ahead and frame up everything. We did 2 dormers off the back there. As you can see, we've got a nice sleeping loft up there. That gives us a whole lot of extra living space. We're going to be able to add a whole nother king-size bed up there. So from Pioneer Post and Beam, or Pioneer Sheds, excuse me, we ordered this with all the upgrades of pellet doors and windows, 2 sliding glass doors, the 2x6 walls, the foam in the floor. We're at $30,000 and some change, and that is delivered. So we got it here delivered. I still have everything else to do. I'm going to do it all myself. I've already knocked out the electrical. We've got plumbing left to do. I'm going to do cedar tongue and groove ceiling. We've got kind of a engineered vinyl hardwood that we're going to do on the floor. Still have to do the septic. We still have to drill a well. We still have a whole lot to do, and our final cost is hopefully going to be right around $80,000. So in my opinion, extremely affordable. Should have a pretty good return on our investment for what we're doing this for. Again, this is going to be a short-term rental for people that want to come enjoy the river, go fishing, enjoy Red Lodge, go skiing, enjoy the town, all sorts of fun events in the summertime. But if this build is something that you guys want to watch me finish up, watch me do, I'm going to document everything from start to finish. I'm going to update as we go along. So if you would, hit that subscribe button right down here. I think it's right down here somewhere. Go ahead and hit the like button. That doesn't hurt anything. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Take